Hey, what's up everybody? Today we are gonna hit the creek and do some fishing. We're gonna be trying to get some smallmouth, AKA brownies. We're also gonna possibly shoot for some smaller panfish, some largemouth bass, and there are also some pretty big gar in this creek. So we're gonna hit the creek. We're using basically the same setups that we always use. I'm gonna start with the Ned rig. Hudson's gonna start with a spinner, like a beetle spin with a Yamamoto. He may switch to his creek spinner. We'll see how these go, but we'll detail it and hopefully we'll hook into some big ones.
There's usually a lot of like little bass up here.
Yeah, we can come fish That's a big tree.
What? Like the overgrown tree.
Let's let her go by and fish to see this deep area right
Yeah.
here.
Got one?
Alright. Oh man, I'm pretty sure it's a smallie. They fight so hard. Oh, nice.
That's a little one. Here, can I unhook him? Yeah. His mouth is so little.
Oh.
Have you ever caught something with your hand?
Yeah, I caught a gar one time. White River.
Oh, where was it? How'd you catch it?
With my hand.
No, like where was it? Like
It was by a sandbank, so.
It was shallow.
Yeah.
Was it a big one?
No. Got one.
Good. Two.
Oh, look, it's a largemouth. Please don't catch too many largemouth here. Grab him good. Honey, you got to grab him by the mouth.
Oh, yeah.
Got one. Ooh. Good jump. That's a decent smallie out of this creek. Open your mouth. Dang, this dude's got a heck of a bite. Decent brownie. Yeah. You want to release him? Check him out for your camera.
Got him.
Got him? Back a little bit further. There you go.
Ow.
Oh. He's a ferocious one, wasn't he? He was biting the worm even after I got it out of his mouth. Or the Helgramite. Guys, if you ever go to a creek and want to try something different, I don't know if you've ever seen these, but these little Helgramites by Nikko are fantastic. Super lightweight Ned rig. I think it's 1/10 of an ounce. These Helgramites are made by Nikko. Not a lot of people know about these, but man, these plastics right here hold up. Matter of fact, I've never had one of these ever tear, ever. I've caught 20, 30 fish on one of them. Not as soft as some of the other ones like the Yamamotos and some of those, but man, these are awesome. We'll move down a little bit, Huddy, and see if you can't find a gar. Yes, that was your best cast today. Got one? Oh yeah, oh, you got him hung up on a tree though.
Did I get one?
Yeah, you got him. I can see him.
How do we get out there? Can't. Isn't that like 7 feet?
Yeah, it's pretty deep over there.
What is it?
Can't tell.
What if it's like the big gar on a tree?
It's not a gar, it's a smallmouth. Let me see.
Oh yeah, that's a smallmouth.
I bet.
Yeah. I bet it's gonna get off.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we're really reeling.
Rod tip up. All right, Huddy.
Little.
Oh no, that's a rock bass. That's a big rock bass. Bring it up here towards the bank.
Rock bass. Man, mine like sucks.
What?
Mine like sucks. A rock bass. It's literally a bluegill.
Oh no, those are awesome, dude.
How?
Those are fun to catch.
They are? Because they're good fighters?
Yeah.
Can't rock bass not live in like ponds? Or do they ever live in ponds?
Yeah. Good job, buddy.
Dang it, double hook.
You can get it.
And his spikes.
Yeah.
It's like a bass. They're home to basses. I mean, they're like sisters.
See it with your camera, bud. You're way out in front of it.
Right. Look at those red eyes. See that? See those red eyes?
What'd you catch him on?
The
Mepps?
Yeah, the Mepps shiny lure. Something like that.
French lure.
Yeah, French lure.
Oh, there went a little catfish.
Where?
He's gone now. I scared him. That was awesome. You had him on the branch and we got him loose.
Oh, what the? Look at him. Pull over there.
I'm pretty sure. Anytime on the outside bend, it's usually a deep hole.
That was beautiful.
Gosh, yeah. I just did the same dang thing you did, buddy. I knew I was going to do it too. For some reason,
What the heck, Dad?
what's the rod tip up, Hudson?
This might be a gar. It's pulling like crazy. I
It is
mean,
a gar.
it is?
Yep. Get it up here. Keep the rod tip up.
Let's go!
No, it's not. It's a catfish.
Oh my God! It's a catfish!
All right,
Let's
buddy.
go.
On a honey. All right.
It's a catfish!
All right.
Good boy, catfish. Oh, what the?
I didn't mean to. All right, bud. I didn't think.
Let's go! Is that a blue catfish?
No, it's channel.
What? I got a catfish! Yes, 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 yes. I got a catfish.
That's awesome.
Have you ever caught a catfish like that?
Not on this kind of lure. I need the
Pliers.
plier. Oh, nope. I got him.
Let's go. How do I hold him?
Well, for those of you that don't know, right here is a spine, right here is a spine, and he has a spine right here. Technically, you're supposed to hold him like this. You see how I got him?
Yeah, so like, I got a catfish.
That's a good catfish, son.
Like 5 pounds?
You can grab him by the mouth. He might bite you a little bit, but he doesn't have teeth.
Is that sharp?
No, none of that's sharp. Get your thumb in there, hold it tight. Hold it tight or he's gonna flop out.
Let's go!
Good catch, bud.
Scared the crap out of me when he did that. Good boy.
Oh man, good. Oh, he's coming at me. Look how big. Oh yeah. Dude, awesome.
Let's go.
Give me 5 on that one. Oh, look at that. I'm on it with the cast. With these Hellgrammites.
Easy to cast.
Well, no, if you can cast where it kind of hits those weeds over there, it almost makes it seem like the Hellgrammite was like kind of on the side of the bank and fell in. Sometimes that triggers the fish to bite. Or at least for me it does.
Oh.
All right. That's another good thing about fishing creeks. There's just so much water. I mean, you make a cast. If you don't catch anything, you just move on down. You know what?
That's a poisonous butterfly right there.
Poisonous butterfly.
Yes.
Never heard of anything
I'm not
like
joking.
that.
If you touch that thing, you're dead.
You're right.
Yeah, no. Yeah, right yourself.
Every now and then you can sight fish in these creeks too. I already looked, I don't see anything. There's a little fish over there to the left. See him swimming? Try this little area over here. Oh, I did get one. It's a baby.
What?
Look at this.
What? Gar?
Oh no, it's a decent rock bass.
What did you think it was? Hey, what did you think it was?
I thought it was a baby smallmouth. Oh, don't spite me, homie. I'll let you go. I love their eyes. This guy's eyes aren't as red, but...
Nice. Let me release him.
Great cast. That's exactly where I was going to tell you to cast, too. I love those spinners because you can just sit there and see them. You can almost tell when the fish hit them. You just watch them spin. Oh, got one. I think this is a smallie. Yep, there's a brownie. What is on my foot? Oh, well, there's a quick release.
Ping it.
I'm telling you, man, they're
Everywhere.
What did he do? He double hooked me. He messed up my Hellgrammite.
He did.
Well, it kind of double hooked itself. There we go. There we go. Now we're back in business. These things work great in these creeks. I can't say enough about them. Rainbow cast. Good job, Huddy. All right, everyone. That does it for our creek adventure today. As always, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button if you liked our video, and hit the bell for notifications so you know when we get our new videos posted. We had an awesome day, a lot of good exercise. It was a nice, cool day here. Caught quite a few fish and saw a lot of wildlife. Hudson, what'd you think?
Good. We caught a lot of fish. I actually caught a catfish with a lure.
Yeah, that was surprising. He caught a good channel cat on that Mepps. Well, you'll see it, but he's really proud of that catfish, so.
And I caught a rock bass on a tree that we had to get out. And then caught one bass or two.
I don't remember. Well, anyways, thanks everyone. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it.